Welcome back to the channel. Stop scrolling because what you are looking at isn't a glitch in the matrix, and it definitely isn't your grandfather's RV. This is the 2026 Goldwing-inspired micro camper, and it might just be the most confusingly brilliant vehicle ever designed for the open road. I was driving through the back roads of the Pacific Northwest when I first saw this metallic bronze beast parked by a trailhead. At first glance, I thought it was a luxury touring bike, but then I saw the wood-paneled cabin attached to the back and realized this thing is a literal studio apartment on 3 wheels. But here's the real kicker that you won't believe until you see the interior layout. While traditional petrol camper vans are basically thirsty, oversized delivery trucks that are a nightmare to park, this electric trike slices through traffic like a hot knife through butter. It swaps out that noisy diesel engine for a silent electric powertrain that lets you sneak into campsites without waking a single soul. The design is a wild mashup of high-tech aerodynamics and classic cabin vibes. Look at those front fairings and the aggressive LED headlight assembly that screams sport bike. Then transition your eyes to that glossy, deep grain wood siding. It feels like someone crashed a futuristic motorcycle into a high-end yacht and somehow it just works. You might be wondering how anyone actually fits inside that cabin without being a contortionist. The magic is in the verticality. By using a motorcycle-style seating position for the driver and a high roof enclosure for the rear, they've managed to create a living space that feels more like a cozy mahogany den than a cramped vehicle. Of course, it isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Because it's a trike, you have to be ready for some serious wind buffeting on the highway, and that narrow wheelbase means you probably won't be taking this on any hardcore off-road trails. It's built for the asphalt explorer who wants to sip espresso in a wood-lined cabin while looking at a mountain range. This vehicle represents a total shift in how we think about solo travel. It's for the person who wants the freedom of a bike but refuses to sleep in a tent on the ground. It's quirky, it's beautiful, and it's a bit insane, but in a world of boring white vans, this is the statement piece we've been waiting for. Does this wood-paneled dream machine make you want to sell your house and hit the road? Or is it just too weird for your driveway? Drop a comment below and let me know if you'd trust those 3 wheels on a cross-country trip. I'm replying to the best theories on how they fit a bed in there.